Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first, go into the settings, scroll down to sound and vibration and make sure that all of your volumes are on the maximum level. So now scroll down once again and do not disturb mode, make sure that it is disabled. Then flip your phone right here, and here is the speaker. Just clean it with a soft brush or Q-tip, compressed air, something like that. Just don't use any metallic tools. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.